Well, that went to the sand dunes. Now this is going to Babylon. My hell, what a week. Well, it's been a busy day today. We've been all over the place. Tokerville Falls and Hurricane Sand Dunes. And now we're headed down to Babylon to pick up a Chevy Duramax. It's got, I don't know, a little too much steering angle. So we're gonna go over and get him gathered up and we'll take you along for the ride.
Forever now I drive along past your street.
Alright, we got the beast loaded. Look at that baby.
Something's wrong with that steering.
Something's broke in there. Not sure exactly what's broke, but something's broke. Maybe tie rod in.
Hey, you gotta admire my little jerry rig job there.
Okay, let's see if we can get out of here then.